Okay, so let's see the second number puzzle. What it is, what is given in this puzzle? 10%. Okay, 10% are sitting in parallel row. 5% in each row. These are the person name. This will sit in second row, and the person who those are sitting in first row are facing north, south, and the other are facing north. Okay, and therefore the given sitting arrangement, each member sits seated in a row, and the another member of the row faces the another member's row, another row's member. Okay, so each of them likes a different game stone. These are the game stone given. Okay, from here the condition start. So first of all we will make the two possibilities for this. Okay, now one by one start writing the conditions. So what is the first condition given to us? So what the first condition is, we does not like Sapir. So we does not like what? Sapir. Okay, why sit second to the right of x? Why sit second to the right of x? Where these person will sit? In short, we will summarize it like in first row MNOP will sit. Okay, and in second row the this person will sit, and this will face like this in this direction. So why sit second to the right of x? So where this will sit? Where these both will sit in this second number row now. So why sit second to the right of x means x will come here, and like in this type of the arrangement will be there. Okay, these two x who x for x, what it is saying, x who likes emerald. So mean if where x can come either here. Three possibilities are there, so we will not start from here now. But till now, x like what? X like emerald. Okay, emerald. Then after x does not sit at the extreme end. Okay, so it means by this sentence our two possibilities will be eliminated, x and y. So x cannot come at the end now, and x also like emerald. Okay, so we can now erase this. After this, m sits immediate left of the person who faces the person who sits immediate right of the one who is sitting immediate left of the. Okay, so we have to one by one we have to read this. Okay, very carefully. See, m sit immediate left of the one who faces the person. M, where m is sitting? M is sitting to the immediate left. Okay, immediate left. How immediate left will be? Mean if this is the person and the m will be immediate left, because these are facing south now. According to that we will make the diagram, rough diagram. M sits immediate left of the person who face this person face whom? The person who sits immediate right means this person, saying for this person is sitting to the immediate right of which person? Who is this person? This is the person immediate right of the one who is sitting at the extreme left, mean this person, saying for this person that this person is sitting at the extreme left. Suppose that. Now see this, imagine this condition here. If this is the person, okay, who is sitting at the immediate and then where m will go? In this condition m will go here now, in the same for here also. Okay, so we have completely used this sentence up to here. Now the one who likes, let me increase the size of this. The one who likes like color or likes coral sits second to the left of m. Second to the left of m means this side will be coral. Okay, and here coral will be here. After this, m, for m, what it's saying? M who does not like opal. M does not like what? Opal. Okay, the one who likes blue topaz sits immediate right of the one who face m. The one who likes blue topaz sits immediate right of the one whom m face. So mean blue topaz will come here, bt. In short, I'm writing bt here. Okay, after this, o does not like sapir or pearl, so we can write this because we don't have any place so that we can arrange. So o does not like sapir. Okay, and sapir and pearl, Peral. After this, Q sits opposite to the one. Q sits opposite to the one who sits third to the right of the one who like Garnet. So where, in which row Q will sit first? Q will sit, first of all we confirm that. So Q will sit in which? First row. So what in the sentence is saying? Q sits opposite to the one. Opposite to the one. This person who sit third to the right of the one who like Garnet. Mean, suppose that Garnet is here, 1 2 and approx here Garnet. So I am making this, I make little bit doing zoom out. Okay, so suppose Q is here, then Q is facing the person who is third to the right of Garnet. Okay, so where Q can come? If we talk about this condition, in this condition Garnet come here only, Garnet. Okay, and then Q will go here, and but in this condition Q either can come here or here also, and according to that Garnet will come. So we will just mark here like this only. After this, see what we can do here now. See, the one who likes diamond sits second to the right of Q. The one who likes diamond, na, that person sits second to the right of Q. Meaning if we talk about this condition, the diamond will sit here only. Diamond will sit here. Diamond. DAI. Okay, die. And in this condition, two possibilities are there. So we will write this DAI, diamond. Okay, second to the right of Q. Okay, suppose see how I am writing the conditions. If this person is facing south, then I will make the upside arrow, and if I'm making the like this type of arrow diamond and Q, if I'm making the arrow downside, na, it means this person is left. Okay, and if I'm making arrow upside, na, it means this diamond is right side. Okay, what it's mean? Its mean is that the Q is facing south. It's mean Q is facing south, and that according to that we have to arrange, na. So if I am, so you also remember this. If I make diagram line upside, na, it's mean that person is right side. Okay, so see the other condition. Diamond will go here. In this condition, okay, two possibilities are there. So we cannot place this now. U sits opposite to the person who sits second to the right of N. Second to the U is sitting opposite to the one who is wait. U is sitting in the this person, na, second row, na. So what it's saying, you sit opposite to the one who sits second to the right of N. Second to the right of N. Second right means like this type of condition will be there. So where these we can set these both, N will confirm go here, and according to that U will go here. And if we talk about this condition, N cannot come here. See, N cannot come here, N cannot go here, N cannot go here, N can only come here if we erase Q. Okay, so we will erase Q from here, and we will write N, and accordingly U will go here, and here Q will be confirmed then. Okay, it means confirm Q will come here. So here Q is final now. It will be Q, and if we return Q, then we also can write diamond. Okay, we also can write diamond. And now check the other what are left. So we have used this condition completely. After this, immediate neighbors of N like opal. Immediate neighbor of N like immediate neighbors of N likes opal. Immediate neighbor of N likes opal, na. So check, is this possible here to write opal? No, not possible, because at one place we have written diamond, and the other place we have written coral. So it is not possible. It means this condition will be wrong. This condition is wrong. So now check this. N is here, then opal will go here definitely. Okay. Now after this, W does not like ruby and black. W does not like what? Ruby and black. BLACK. The one who likes ruby sits second to the left of the one who likes sapphire. Okay, and like the one who likes ruby means second to the left, no, second to the left of sapphire. So we can write here sapphire, second left will be ruby. Okay, P is the one, P is P is sitting in first row, so accordingly we will mark make this possibility, write this. P is the one who sits second to the left of the one who like blue topaz. Mean P is the one who sits second to the left of blue topaz. Okay, the one who is facing P is facing the person who is second to the left of blue topaz. In this condition, where we can write the T, check. Can you write okay, wait a minute, blue topaz, we already have no blue topaz here, so we can write P here. Okay, no need to check, directly write now. Okay, and I think we have also used this condition, we can erase it. And M don't like opal, already we have written opal. And V does not this condition was V does not like sapphire. This was sapphire. Either we can mark in this also, V does not like what? Sapphire. So we have to remember this. PO does not like sapphire and beryl. So now check, sapphire second left will be ruby, so where these can come? Sapphire here, if I write sapphire here, wait a minute, here we can complete this now. PQ, MNO PQ, MNO PQ, MNO will be here, PQ. Okay, all these are done here. Now sapphire, where sapphire will go? Okay, sapphire either can be here, many possibilities are there. O, and what are left? O, here sapphire will not come, definitely sapphire will not come now. So where sapphire can go? Sapphire, in this condition, sapphire can go here only, here, this place. How it is possible? How I said this? I said because I know that the ruby must be second to the left of sapphire. If I write sapphire here, then it was told that sapphire O does not like sapphire, so sapphire will go here. Okay, and accordingly ruby will go with U, RUBY. Okay, I have written here, so remember this. So this is done now, and we have used this. After this O, okay, this beryl is left, sapphire is done. V does not like sapphire. V does not like sapphire means V cannot come here, so we have to go here. X, now see what left? Y, U, V, W is left. W will go here. Okay, we will erase this now. Okay, and wait a minute, what I have erased? O does not like beryl now. O does not like beryl, so it means what was this name? O does not like beryl. O does not like beryl. Then where beryl can go? Beryl will go here only. Beryl. Okay, so this is done. And W is here. W does not like black and ruby. So black and ruby both are not with W. So black confirm will go here. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Okay. So I hope you understand this. So see you in next video.